Okay, YouTube. Today is a disabled chair-bound gear recommendation must-have whatnot. Still can't find my flip camera. Driving me crazy. Um, Looking to remedy that uh, for my birthday, whether it be cash or what I get. We'll see. So today is a chair-bound gear recommendation, or anyone really, but I highly recommend if you have a wheelchair, uh, you should have one of these, and that is the multi-tool. Okay, uh, this is the Wingman. This is the one that is my desk tool now. Um, you know, here's the wave in the sheath with fits. It's a good idea to have uh, one of these if you're in a wheelchair, because you might be out one day and your footrest is loose and it's incredibly annoying or uncomfortable if you can't fix it, right? So what do? Okay, you either grin and bear it and go home early, or just deal with it, which you know, or you whip out your handy dandy multi-tool, take the pliers, tighten up the bolt or nut, and go on with your day. I prefer the latter. Okay. Like I said, used to carry the Wingman in my bag. Now I keep the Wave in my bag. Gives me more options with the bit set. It's a bit heftier, so I can, you know, uh, put more into it. You might say that's what I prefer. So that's one of the reasons. Now you can also keep a small one on a keychain, just for picking up small things. If you have hand problems, uh, it might be beneficial to be able to grip a bigger thing to help you pick it up. Okay. If it's metal, you might have one of those uh, pointer magnetized things. If it's not metal, you can bend it over and try and pick it up with your hands. Okay. But if your hands are not able to do that, but grip a bigger device and manipulate a bigger device, take your mini multi-tool, pick it up, and do whatever. That being said, I highly recommend working on your hand strength and your hand uh, ability. That can be overcome with time. I attribute mine to my martial arts training, of course, uh, and whatnot. Okay, uh, just a quick chair-bound disabled gear recommendation. Uh, get a multi-tool. Okay, a must-have. Okay, and a bit of an update. I don't know why I do update videos. I always end up doing little updates at the end of a video, but whatever. Um, the dummy is almost done. Okay. Uh, it might be done this afternoon if mom is in a good mood and I feel like grabbing her. We'll see. Okay. Uh, so those videos will be coming. If I can't find my camera, I'll try to do it with a webcam, but I don't know. Hoping I can either get the money for something else, okay, or uh, I might be getting something that'll help me for my birthday. I don't know yet. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so either way, tell me videos will be coming. And I still have a cough from the cold I had. Excuse me. Uh, so that's coming. Uh, Remember, guys, send me those requests for the birthday special. I have a few from Wushu Richards, and that's about it. Please PM me those. They're just easier to keep track of. Uh, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I'll be going to a 24-hour lock-in. The what? Okay, the 15th of February at my dojang, and I'll be testing for first gup of third dawn, which I am now, as you all know, on my way to fourth dawn. So this step is important. Okay, so I will try. I obviously won't bring the flip camera with me since I can't find it. Unless I can find it by then, which excuse me. Um, unless I can find it by then, which I don't know. But I'll have my iPhone and I'll try to have my break filmed, and that'll be a nice, cool video that you all will all enjoy, I'm sure. Gonna try to talk to someone about that tomorrow, um, and see if they'll be willing to film that for me, and then I'll let you all know. Okay? That break is about 10 boards broken by hook punch in 6 sessions. So it'll look something like this, but it'll be cool. Okay? Um, so stay tuned for that. That'll hopefully be done. And although if that's done, I don't know when that's going to be posted due to I will have been up all night night the night before. So depending upon how I feel, we'll see. Okay? So send me those requests. If you want to help me out, info on how to do so will be below. Uh, need to get stuff for the apartment. Looking into getting a footlocker to put my martial arts weapons in for the apartment because I don't want those out in a environment where I'm so close to other people. Does that make sense? Uh, so yeah, trying to get that, and just trying to get ready for this whole thing because it's gonna be here before you know it, really. So yeah, bear with me, guys, and if you can help me out, that would be greatly appreciated. Um, yeah, so stay tuned, stay safe, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.